Hey, Flurbird. Sanne here. So, someone I met in the Discord community for the first-person shooter template asked me if I could explain something about something, and I was like, yeah, that's a pretty good idea. Now, this tutorial is kind of niche, but keep watching because I will teach you actually a way to do something very interesting in Unreal Engine that will make your life pretty easy. What I'm going to show you is how to get, like from multiplayer, create a lobby. So this system is already in the package, and then you can like vote for a map, right? And when the game is over, the map will reboot itself. Now we don't want that. We want when the game is over, we want to go back to the lobby, so with all our friends, and we can vote for another map to play, and then play another round. That's the idea. So how do we do this? Well, let's first start off with opening the lobby thing, because that's basically where we want to start, right? In the lobby menu, lobby. So that's the widget blueprint lobby. I found a widget blueprint lobby, and let's open it up and see what it is. So this is the menu. And what we want to do is when we enter like this menu, or maybe when we hit like the ready button, we want to tell some part of the game like, hey, it's a lobby game. When we're done, go back to the lobby with this thing, right? And how do we do that? Well, basically we have this button and it's already on release. So what I like to do is move this up just a little bit like this. And what system is always there for you? It's the game instance. So basically what we want to get is the game instance, get a game instance. Right? And now we want to cast to the game instance that we're actually using, because that's the game instance that knows everything like all the time. Cast, so let's cast to BP game instance. I think that's the one. So let's yoink this in here and then yoink this in here. So now we have a cast, and it will not fill because it's such an easy cast. Just get the game instance and you can cast to any game instance. And from there we want to set a variable. So first we want to create this variable in our game instance. So let's get the game instance, right? Game instance. Game instance. So here we are in the game instance, right? And we have match info, and that will say the max amount of players, the is allowed bots, allow friendly fire. All that stuff is in this game instance. That's what a game instance is. So we add a variable, and it's a boolean. That's very convenient, and we say B. Let's keep in the naming convention. So B for boolean, and then is lobby. There you go. B is lobby. And that's basically all we want to do here. We just want to have this variable and put it right in the match info, and now we can call this value like anywhere else if we just cast to the game instance again and get the value. Now, where do we want to do this? That's a very good question. And what we basically do is Ctrl Shift plus F, and we want to travel to the lobby. So travel, and what do we get? Travel. Oh, wait, look, there's travel. And that's in the lobby game mode. Oh, that's very convenient. So this is an execute console command, and this console command will do this. So get the player controller and execute a console command, and it will servo travel to a specific map. And as you know, the lobby is a specific map, so we can use this. Just get this and this and copy it. Now where do we want to call this? Well, again, end game. Server end game. Maybe here? Reset game. You can replace this server, travel to another map, or even the lobby. Wait, that's really convenient. Reset game. So maybe we want to have this delay and destroy the bots. I don't know if we can replace it over here or within this this function. And I did it within, because here it says restart level and then restart game. Reset level, I think that basically resets the level. So maybe we want to do that just in case, like, you have something like the weather influencing stuff and maybe stuff breaking down, so it's all nice and clean when you get back, and then restart the game. We do not want to restart the game after this. So let's move this thingy out of the way and disconnect it. And what we want to do here is paste basically the execute console command. There you go. And we wanted to go to the lobby. So that's maps lobby. I think that will work. Lobby. So that's game, FPS, maps, and then lobby. And I don't know if it's like case sensitive. So let's just be sure. It's written with a capital L. There we go. Now if we do it like this, every time the game will end, we will go to the lobby. Maybe we do not want that, and that's why we made the boolean. So we can have this instead. Right. So let's make a branch. Let's pull one out and hit B, and that will give us a branch, and it will automatically connect itself. Very nice and convenient. And if false, then we want to restart the game. Reset the game. Yeah, restart the game. Right. Now we want to like cast to the game instance. So get game instance. Get game instance. Cast to BP game instance. Yoink this in here. Yoink this in here. And we will get is lobby. That's it. And if this is true, then we will go back to the lobby, and if it's false, we will reset the game. And this will work. Yeah, I think this will work. Yeah, I'll just leave this here. Compile save, or better, just save on compile always. Compile. And it's saved. Compile. That's really convenient if you have save and compile. Then you have to hit one button less. So now we got like all that stuff set up. Basically what we want to do is as a game instance, we want to set this so on toggle ready. So when this ready button, this one, right, when it's pushed, then we first want to set is lobby. True. And then we want to do the rest of the stuff, right? There you go. Make a little bit of room and move this like, oh, damn it. Just hit Q and it's all straight. Nice. Looking good. So what if we return to the main menu? Well, we basically want to do this. We want to get all of this. Get all of this except for this one. Yeah. move like that. Make this a little bit bigger. There you go. And then just paste this in here, in here, and we will say no. And that's it. I think this is all good. I will now test it for you, and that will be it. Create a lobby. We say conquest. We say ready. We will. Yeah, it should work. So now let's quickly capture all points. So now we won, and let's see what happens. So the countdown starts, and that's all good. Basically, we set the variable to be is lobby, and the casting did not fail because otherwise we wouldn't have been able to start the game. And here we are back in the lobby. So I think this is it. We did everything we wanted to do. Just to recap, basically, if you want to like do something within Unreal, within a project that you didn't write by yourself, take it with small steps. So think about the things that like are universally true in any game, and that's like the game instance. It's always there. So if you want to store some variables throughout the game, do it in a game instance. That's at least what I like to do. And what else? Yeah, you can always use like... Oh, I put it on my other monitor. You can always use Ctrl-Shift-F to find stuff in Blueprint. And it will find anything in any blueprint. So if you type like replace, then you will get like replace and you will find it. But also if you have like, oh, there's another comment here. Replace for zoom. All right. So if you make a weapon based on the base weapon, you can use this comment, this thingy for the zoom, or begin aiming and stop aiming, like stuff like that. Hold breath, actually. That's how it works, and that's how I do my stuff. I just basically Ctrl-Shift-F everything in my project, and from there stuff happens. The point I want to make is just look at your blueprints, and you will find out a lot of stuff. And another point I want to make is, if you want me to find stuff out for you, then just leave it down in the comments, because I tend to kind of do stuff that people ask me. This is Flurbert, out. Bye.